Hello everyone, my name is Shindy Tidal, grade 12 ABM student from Misamis Occidental National High School, Oroqueta City. This video is all about strategic planning in our business. This serves as a guide, brand name, vision, mission, SWOT analysis, and a my learning. So our brand name is Sweet Pastries. Let's proceed to our mission to provide delicious and high-quality baked pastries made from finest, fresh daily ingredients. To provide a unique taste and serve customers the best kind of pastries we could possibly offer to you. We in Sweet Pastries heartedly take pledge to maintain excellent service and a kind-hearted approach to each and every customer we will encounter in our daily sales. Vision: to be one of the most remarkable pastry shop in the city through engaging in the customer experience, innovation, and focus. To deliver our products well to our consumer and be trusted by the nation. We are always open to be inspired by others, and also we hope to achieve the expectation of the customer we love. Most importantly, we want to always provide the top quality taste of our products to each and every mouth that will have a chance to taste this wonderful experience. Let's proceed to our SWOT analysis. Strength: the employees of the business has experience in evolving towards cooking delicious and sweet pastries. Employee has good interpersonal communication with customers. Location is very suitable with the product we sell, and a lot of consumer passes through the same spot. Business has a good record of selling product in 2 years. Weaknesses: food erosion because of too much production and a high level of stocks. Marketing strategies of the business is outdated. Employees are having a hard time doing their work in their respective workplace. Cash flow is not monitored. Opportunities: customers are likely to attract new customers to the business. Product can be used to big parties and catering service involving desserts. Customers are asking for specific product in the business frequently. Possibility of having connection to more pastries companies and making deals with them. Threats: competitors are having advertisement for their products. Competitors have a similar product to the business. Competitors are building their shop near the location of the business. Inflation of supplies could cost a lot of money for the business. Let's move on for our brand messaging. Sweet Pastries is dedicated to serve fresh and delicious handmade cake pastries. It's our task to bake something sweet to satisfy your needs and cravings. Come and experience the taste of joy and take a break to buy our cake and pastries. Choose Sweet Pastries. Lastly, the most importantly is my learning. I've learned that strategic planning is essential for a business organization since it both lays out organization objectives and clarify why they're significant. It helps your business to be bold and proactive. It's useful in a way that I provide a sense of direction in line with the vision and mission charted out for it. It allows the business to foresee their future and to prepare for it accordingly. As strategic planning also examines the economic situation and the possible next move of the competitors, coming up with innovative product ideas and keeping the customer glad and happy with the different methods and measures.